Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a JPEG image look brighter in Adobe Illustrator. We will go through the process step by step. First, open Illustrator and go to File, then Open. Select the JPEG image you want to work with and it will appear on the artboard. Click on the image once to select it. Now go to the top menu and choose Edit, then Edit Colors, and then Adjust Color Balance. A dialog box will appear with sliders for red, green, and blue. You can move the sliders to adjust the image brightness for different colors. Another option is to use an effect. With the image still selected, go to the top menu and choose Effect, then Stylize, and then Inner Glow. In the Settings window, change the color to white, set the blending mode to screen, and adjust the opacity and blur until the image looks brighter. This method can give you a softer light effect. When you are happy with the brightness, go to File and choose Export, then Export As. Select JPEG as the format, set the quality to high, and save your new, brighter image. That is how you can brighten a JPEG inside Illustrator using either color balance adjustments or an effect. Thanks for watching.